Hello, my name is Zoe, and I want to talk about this painting by Frida Kahlo called The Broken Column from 1944. Frida is known for her paintings using bright colors that portray politics, class, nationality, and portraits of her personal, physical experiences of emotion and suffering. Frida Kahlo was born in Mexico City in 1907. She had a very hard life. At age 6, she was diagnosed with polio, and she was bedridden for 9 months. This is only the start of her pain and suffering. When Frida was 18 years old, on a rainy day, she boarded a city bus, and minutes later, the bus crashed into a streetcar. Many passengers were killed, and she was pierced through her pelvis by an iron handrail. Luckily, she survived, but the accident caused her long-term physical and psychological pain and suffering. The rail punctured her abdomen and uterus, preventing her from having any children in the future. Her spine had been broken in 3 places. Her shoulder was dislocated and her collarbone was broken. Frida painted The Broken Column shortly after her spinal surgery in 1944. To me, this painting really shows how strong she was despite everything that she went through. You see tears streaming down her face. You see the broken column in place of her spine. You see the nails puncturing all of her body, her face, the metal brace that surrounds her torso. But to me, her face represents strength and courage. Frida's art continues to amaze the world. Her creativity and work in life is still of great interest to many and is celebrated in Mexico for her attention and dedication to the Mexican culture. Frida Kahlo is an icon of female creativity. I hope you all enjoyed this piece of art as much as I did. Thank you.